I really, really love these 16-hour emergency candles. They last forever. They're 100% beeswax and they burn so cleanly. Opening it up, you see I've used this one. It has 3 wicks. It burns very, very cleanly. Thanks to the beeswax, there's not much debris. I usually put it right on its top when I use them. And I try to keep these for emergencies, but every once in a while we pull them out just because they are actually really nice in your space and they don't have any smell. So I'm going to light them up for you so you can see how they look. Depending on how long the wicks are, they'll obviously burn higher or lower, and some of these wicks are pretty long right now, but you can see immediately that it's a very nice warm light, and thanks to the 3 wicks, it gives off a lot of light. Lovely candle. Really, really like it. Yeah, I can tell that 1 wick is just too long. I probably should have trimmed it down. And I can just put this on my table and enjoy it. Now, when I blow it out, I usually just put the top right back on to prevent that smoke from filling up my space. But there's always a little bit of smoke. Very sturdy container. Excellent candle for camping, survival, or just using around your home.